Hey, this is Casey. And when you write your book marketing copy, you don't want to just write about what your book is about. You want to have a clear explanation of how readers are going to benefit from reading your book. And you want to even take it a step further and really bring those benefits to life for your readers. So you don't want to just say, hey, this is what you'll gain from reading my book. But then after you do that, you want to paint a picture of how those benefits are going to help transform your reader's life. And that's a really cool writing skill to have. I call it painting a solution picture for your reader or writing a transformation statement. And today I want to give you some tips on how to do that. And to do that, I'm going to go straight to my example board here and we're going to get into it. This is going to be fun. Okay, we're going to call this training Bring Your Benefits to Life. What you want to do when you tell readers what they're going to gain from reading your book, you then want to have kind of detail a transformation your readers can experience when they read your book. Here's what I mean. If you've written a business book in which you detail some business principles that are going to help your readers earn more money, bring more revenue into their business, you want to go a little further than that. You just don't want to say, if you implement these business principles, you'll earn more revenue, you'll make more money. You then want to paint a picture of how that's going to play itself out in your reader's life. For example, if you've made more money, you'll be able to buy that vacation home you've always wanted, or you'll be able to start your year by planning your vacations and build your work schedule around that. Or you'll have the money that you want to give to charity, give to charities, be more charitable with your money, help more people. So you want to paint a picture. Not only, you don't want to just say you'll benefit by making more money, but you want to make a nice picture. You want to paint a picture of how that's going to play out in your reader's life. Do this, and it's going to give your book marketing copy much more depth and texture, and it's going to really stand out from other books in your market niche. Now, a lot of times when I work with authors, they go, yeah, cool, I want to paint a solution pictures for my readers. What's a good way to do that? How do I get that started? And a great way to get it started is to use a few different transition phrases, some terms that help get your solution picture rolling. One of them is the word imagine. If you've told, again, we're going to go back to the example of a business book. You've told someone, hey, if you implement these business principles, you'll make more money. And imagine having the income you really want. Imagine being able to buy that vacation home. Imagine being able to be more charitable. So using the word imagine is a great way to kickstart a transformation statement or a solution picture for your audience. Imagine having the freedom to be able to take off the weeks, to take the whole summer off. So it's always a powerful term to use. Just start with the word imagine and then build from there. Another one is picture yourself. This really personalizes your transformation statement. Picture yourself taking the vacation you've always dreamed of. Picture yourself being able to spend more time with your loved ones. Picture yourself being able to click off items on your bucket list. So that's just another great way to start your solution picture and bring your benefits to life, is to start with the term picture yourself. That's just a great way to kind of sweep people away and get them to imagine something really cool in their life. I'm going to give you a couple more examples of how to start your transformation statement. First, I want to tell you how you can get my free ebook, 7 Must-Know Copywriting Secrets That Sell More Books. I love making these videos for you, but this is another way you can get some cool stuff from me. This is an 18-page booklet that's loaded with a lot of copywriting tips that will help you write stronger book marketing copy. I really encourage you to have it at your fingertips when you're working on your book marketing copy. And you can get it just by going to caseydemchak.com/secrets or bounce on down to the description of this video. And I've got a link there that'll take you to a page where you can download this free report. I think you'll really like it. Okay, back to painting a solution picture. Another transition line you can use to start off your transformation statement or your solution picture is the words, what if you could? And this works a lot. This works really well with novels. What if you could immerse yourself in 1920s Hollywood? What if you could be inside the studios and go behind the scenes and be at the restaurants and be at the parties? This is another way to kind of sweep people away and get them to imagine what their life could be like, using the phrase, what if you could? And from there, you can write a lot of different things. And then the final one I'll give you is kind of using it as a, kind of creating a question or just a statement that gets people pumped up. It really is possible to experience the inner fulfillment. I mean, if you've written a self-development book or something like that, this could be a good line. It really is possible to experience inner fulfillment and greater satisfaction. It really is possible to get in the best shape of your life so that you can buy the clothes that show you off instead of cover you up. Or it really is possible to build more wealth after age 50. This is just another line you can use to kick off the creation of a nice transformation statement for your readers that really brings the benefits of your book to life and really personalizes them. So to kind of sum up, to write a really strong transformation statement, to write, to bring your benefits to life, to create a picture in the minds of your reader of what their life can be like after they read your book. I really recommend using these transition lines. You can jot them down. These phrases are just a good way to kick off the creation of your solution picture. Imagine being able to take vacations whenever you want. Picture yourself back in a simpler time when falling in love was like the best thing you did and you couldn't wait to be around that someone special. What if you could take that vacation you've always wanted, or what if you could be more charitable the way you've always wanted to be? It really is possible to achieve your goals and build the life you want and paint a picture of what that looks like for your reader. So I think these are, if you just kick off your solution picture using these lines, you'll be able to go from here and just kind of run with it. Okay. So let's get out of there. I hope this tip has been helpful for you. If you can go a little further, rather than just tell people what they'll gain from your book, if you can go a little further and paint a solution picture of what that's going to look like in their lives, how it's going to make them feel. Again, it's going to add a lot more depth and detail to your book marketing copy. And I think it's really going to help you stand out from the crowd. So I hope this tip has been helpful. I've got a lot of other videos here on my YouTube page for you to check out that are going to give you a lot of tips and information that's going to help you write more engaging book marketing copy. So I encourage you to watch these videos, soak up all the information, and then take a lot of action and make things happen.